Indiana Joan here. It's Monday morning. I just pulled up and I see all that stuff over there. Do you know what that means? We're moving into the 21st century. That's a sewer line going in. I'm gonna go check it out. I'm sitting here next to the core that came out of the wall. So it's kind of cool to see what the concrete wall looks like inside. Where we put that great foam in to seal cracks and stuff, it's kind of fun to see how effectively it worked and what it looks like inside there. I might miss all of this. I got to go on a run for some conduit and angle iron and some screws because we got to keep working downstairs too. And I saw he brought a plumbing pipe and there's a box of fittings. It might be done by the time I get back. We'll see. Well, I was a little off on the timing. It took me about an hour and a half to run those errands, and when I came back, there was no pipe in yet, and you will see the process here. But now it's 3:30 in the afternoon, and they came about 9:15 this morning, and they didn't eat lunch that I saw, and it's like it never even happened. We've got a way for water to go out of our house into the sewer. They had to install it as a live sewer connect, so that wasn't easy. I'm sure I didn't get close to take pictures because they didn't seem real happy at the time that they were installing it. But we're going to be able to install a toilet someday. Now we just got to get heat so it won't freeze up. Where did those heating and cooling guys go anyway? So, water in the well, water out for the sewer. That, my friends, is what we've got to hook our sewer lines inside the house into. Doesn't look pretty, but it'll get the job done. This will eventually have drywall all around it. It'll look nice. Just look like a nice little pipe sticking out of the wall. Do you remember Dusty when we were digging our foundation? Well, this is Dusty. He's come back and he's moving those 3 big piles of gravel. And look at the finesse he's doing. When he gets done, we would actually be able to drive in our garage if it were empty enough to drive in, which it's not, and it won't be for a very long time. But it'll be nice. So this is how our neighbor is spreading gravel on their driveway way up the way. No skid steer needed, no shovels. Well, if you had money, what you couldn't do.